Guys, so if you want to take out your NA8 1.8 liter heat shield off, you're going to have to remove 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bolts. The last one I could not take off, so I sheared it. And to remove it, that's a whole different story, because that was difficult enough. For this, you have to remove the the cruise control, and the air filter box. So cruise control has 3 bolts. 2 are actually mounted to the frame. 1 is to the air filter box. So once you get that loose, you would have to remove the snorkel bolt and 2 tie-down bolts for the air filter. It's just there and there. They were 10mm and 12mm. And additionally, I had to remove this weird clip, which I have right here actually. And I also moved this guy upwards. You don't have to do that. And I believe you have to remove this whole thing off. I already had it off from doing prior things.